Hi, this is Jamie from WC Vendors, and in today's video we're going to be going through how to get started with WC Vendors Pro. WC Vendors Pro requires WooCommerce and WC Vendors Marketplace to already be installed and configured before you can get started. We've already done a video on how to install and configure these, so I'll link to those in the description below. The first thing you'll need to do is to download the WC Vendors zip file from wcvendors.com. You can get that from the My Account page under Downloads. Find your active subscription, click the download, then that'll be available once it's finished downloading. From here, you want to go into the plugins and add new. Because it's the first install, you'll need to upload it manually. Once the plugin has been uploaded, you can then click Activate Plugin, and you'll be prompted to start the setup wizard. You can either activate your license or run the setup wizard. We don't recommend that you skip the wizard setup unless you're already familiar with all parts of WC Vendors Pro configuration. We will go with running the setup wizard first. With WC Vendors Pro, you get a few extra options in the setup wizard, including locking the vendors out of the admin dashboard and where their login redirect goes to. By default, it goes to the WooCommerce My Account, but most people want it to go to the vendor dashboard. Your commission options are also increased beyond just percentage, but we'll leave them for now. For capabilities, checking any of these boxes will disable them, so leave them as default unless you want to disable specific features. In a future update, we will be bringing them in line with the WordPress standards where all enabled options will be ticked by default. WC Vendors Pro requires two pages, Pro Dashboard page and a Vendor Ratings page. They are automatically created and populated, so all you have to do is click Next. Now that that's completed, you can now return to the dashboard, and WC Vendors Pro base setup is complete. You do get this notice that says if your license has not been activated, you'll be unable to get automatic updates and support. We do not disable any functionality in WC Vendors Pro or any of our other plugins if the license isn't activated. This ensures that you can test the plugin on your local install or your development environment without having to use your license key twice. For this demonstration, I am going to show how to enable the license. Find on the download page above your downloads, paste that and hit save. Once that's activated, you'll now be able to get automatic updates whenever they come out and are available. Now that WC Vendors is installed, there are a bunch of extra features in the settings pages, including extra commission types, more capability settings around products, orders, and trash. Trash is what happens when a vendor deletes a product or a coupon. We don't recommend that you permanently delete products as this can affect your SEO. Display provides a bunch of extra options, including new shop headers. We have 3 available: the WC Vendors Marketplace, our original Pro header, and our new Pro Modern header. We'll be adding a couple of new extra headers in a future update. Our biggest change in WC Vendors Pro is your capability to manage your front-end forms for your vendors. We will be creating a dedicated video for this area of the settings because there are so many options to go through. In general, WC Vendors Pro provides you the options to modify what forms and fields are available to the vendor without writing any code. The vendor rating system is something that allows the vendor rating system works like the Amazon rating system, where even if the vendors have had no reviews, you can start them all at 5 stars until they start selling. You can also sync the reviews with the WooCommerce review system. A new feature that we recently added was the ability to add product abuse reports so that your front-end users can report products that may be violating copyright or could be offensive or any other reason that you put in the product report reasons. WC Vendors Pro also includes a new shipping system, which you can configure under WooCommerce settings shipping. We have an entire video on this, which I'll link in the description below. We also have 10 widgets that you can use to customize the vendor store sidebars, which we have a dedicated video for as well. WC Vendors Pro also adds menu options so that you can add and create your own menus from the WordPress menu area. This can be helpful if you're creating your own customized vendor pages. WC Vendors Pro makes it easy for you to manage your marketplace and your vendors, as well as your orders and products. There are a lot of options and settings available in WC Vendors Pro. I encourage you to go through our product overview playlist available here on YouTube, which will allow you to go through and learn more about the specific areas of WC Vendors and WC Vendors Pro. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can comment below. Contact us via our website at wcvendors.com, or you can tag us on Twitter at WC Vendors.